Hey guys, it's Jonathan Miller here. Hope you guys are doing well. So the other day I went to the press day at the International Auto Show in New York at the Javits Center. It was my first real international press day that I ever went to at any car show or gathering. So it was pretty exciting. It definitely was a different crowd than going to the regular car show. Lots of film crews and camera crews and crazy camera rigs. It was pretty interesting to see all the corporate guys there. So I had a really good time. It was a great experience. So I got a lot of footage, a lot of pictures, a lot of videos for you guys. So I did post online to see if you guys wanted a really long video with everything or if you wanted me to split it up. So I think this consensus was to split it up. So that's what I did. It's actually going to be in 5 different videos. So this is video number 3 where I look at Audi and Mercedes. There were a lot of cars from both brands. Really nice stuff. Check it out. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. Comment below and enjoy the video. So I'm at the Audi booth and here we go with the R8 V10 rear wheel drive. Audi's first rear drive car. It's looking beautiful in silver.
So 150 grand? This will be a good price, this car. It is less than...
Let's take a look in the interior.
And it's very limited. There's only... Like that motor is full Audi.
Full Audi virtual cockpit, carbon fiber trim, really nice red leather seats, Alcantara trim everywhere. I believe it's an S-tronic dual clutch in the R8 still. Here we have the rs5 four-door in this interesting metallic green. I believe, rs5 sportback denotes the four-door hatch. Gives you some more practicality over the coupe. Making its North American debut here in New York. This has the optional carbon ceramic front brakes. Carbon fiber splitter. Here we have the rs5 coupe in Nardo gray. I like to look at these silver wheels here. Let's take a look in the rs5. Greeted with this like thick side sill. This one has the black with white stitching, diamond stitching. Virtual cockpit, typical Audi in here, really nice, carbon fiber trim, screen. The RSs now have a automatic transmission. They've gone away from the dual clutch. Here we have a Nardo gray TTRS. This has the 5-cylinder 400 horsepower turbo. Also has the same interior as the RS5, the black with the diamond stitching. Typical Audi, really nice interiors. This one has the start button on the steering wheel. Here we have a R8 V10 Plus Spyder. Lots of carbon fiber diffuser, carbon wing, carbon engine bay cover, carbon trim. Nice looking bucket-like seats. Also has a start button on the steering wheel. Carbon side blade, Sigma blade on the new cars. V10 Quattro all-wheel drive. Ceramic brakes. It's a really nice Audi booth. Keep going. Got the new A7. I like the front of this. First time seeing it. Really cool headlights. Look at those. Don't even know how those work. Guess there's LEDs hidden in there. New A7 looks really clean. Here's a new design feature, the full light bar. Looks really good. Head over here. New A8. Also has a full light bar in the back. And we also have a Nardo RS3. We've seen this car a lot. Guys really love the RS3s on my channel. Nardo gray, really nice color. RS5 two-door, the green four-door in the back. R8 rear-wheel drive. Here's the new A6. So Audi has a lot of new cars here. The A6 does not have the full light bar. We have to get used to this new moniker. It's 55T Quattro. I don't know, it has something to do with the hybrid battery system and the motor. So I'm here at the Mercedes booth, and we're looking at the new AMG GTS, the new four-door full AMG sedan.
Yeah, he's here. Not sure where, but he's here.
Grab just two real quick. And I'll be
Okay,
out
we're
of your
about
way.
to start some live filming. So if it can be quick, and then the car will be free.
Here we have a C63 sedan. S-Class coupe. It's like a matte silver.
And obviously the one.
S560 formatted coupe has a new OLED taillights, which are pretty neat. I think they have a pretty neat startup sequence. Unfortunately, can't see that. Here we have V12 Maybach with the new two-tone paint. This is a dark green metallic with a beige pearl. The big, thick block wheels. Take a look in the interior. Quilted leather everywhere, dash. Even the armrest. Back seats where you'll probably be sitting in this car. S650 V12 Maybach. They don't have a GTR here, but they have the GTC convertible. I like that rear bumper on that. V8 twin turbo. Here we have a really crazy C63S coupe, matte black, carbon fiber, new taillights here. Let's look at this interior. Sorry. Take a quick look at this full digital dash here. Full carbon fiber. It's got the sport seats with yellow stripes on them. Actually really comfortable. I sat in them. Let's take a look. I think this is a really neat car. The new E-Coupe E53 AMG. Those cool new headlights with the blue. This is a slick looking car. Like a new E-Class, it's got a full digital dash, carbon fiber, ambient lighting. They do have the brand new G-Wagon refresh here in AMG G63. Really like the look of it. It's much smoother, it's a little more updated, but it still has the same original boxy look. It's got the big wheels, the AMG side exhaust, and just listen to these doors. It's got an S-Class interior, dual screens, updated infotainment. Just listen to these doors close. This E53 coupe is so nice. Okay. So I really hope you guys enjoyed those videos from the New York International Auto Show 2018 from the Javits Center. Let me know in the comments below what you liked, what you didn't like, what you'd like to see in the future. Please subscribe and like the videos if you enjoyed them. Take care. We'll talk to you guys soon.